Hi beautiful girls, welcome to Art Mimi Wonderland. This video is about how to make Decoden cream glue at home. First, you can paper in some coloring you like from your local craft store or online you can get it. And you can prepare in some silicone glue. You can get it from your local store. Definitely some your favorite decor charms. And let's get started. First of all, we have to figure out how to using these caulk guns. This one I'm using the silicone. It's clear, all-purpose silicone. So how can I put it in with this type of caulk gun? So see, I press it and I put it back and I grab it and I put inside. Yeah, that's it. And I adjust a little bit and I'm gonna cut here so I can put this inside a plastic cup or any cups you prepared. Yeah, consumes some energy to cut it. Okay, let's add some silicone. This time I'm gonna decor the canvas. Kindly reminder, it's a little bit smelly when you mix the silicone. I like blue, so I'm gonna add some coloring of blue. A little bit white. Yeah, this is my way. I like to do like this way. You also can use in the cup and directly put inside and mix and put it into the piping bag later. Yeah, mix it until it all the coloring and the clean and transparent one, the glue mixed all together. Done, it's ready. I'm gonna decor this frame. You need the extra piping bags and piping tips. You cut it, you put it inside. In the cut here. The hard shape is better. To be honest, the craft decoration we have been we're using the glue from the factory. Also, some of glue is our handmade one. We're not sure you guys need it or not. We definitely will keep eyes on it. If you guys are looking for the Decoden glue supply. Yeah, that's our apologize. We just didn't do the comparison. Yeah, we shouldn't be in our comfort zone. Or yeah, definitely we couldn't do that suggestion about how to make glue at home. So here is the final comparison about the silicone and the water resin adhesive materials. So yesterday, this side is the silicone, so I can feel it's softer after it getting dry, but using the Decoden cream glue with the water resin base, it could go very tough after it completely dry. So we have been using the water resin based adhesive glue to make those Decoden phone cases. And this decor as well. This one is the same, but I'm using this one, the silicone, so still haven't get dry completely. Yeah, so this one is the one you can purchase from the different sales channels, or if you're using the silicone mixing with the coloring by yourself at home, so please, I think it's better to using a little bit less every time you mixing with the color and decor something very mini stuff. That's better, or it's gonna dry very quick, and it's not really that's recommended to using a very more than 50 gram per time. Overall, they both are very quantity materials to adhesive something, but I personally preferring with the water resin materials for crafting purpose. So that's why sometimes we decor something, it's taking time, 1 to 2 weeks to getting it dry, or it will mess it up, or the charm could fall off. So yeah, thanks for the watching.